Well, around a year ago, I started speaking to Dave Stone at D.A.S Engineering, a precision engineering company in Yorkshire near Leeds. Really a very modern, clean precision engineering company that offer a complete solution in terms of machine components and assembly parts. We initially started off speaking to them about SEO, organic SEO, getting them higher up on the search engines, helping generate some leads. This was backed up by a tracking code that would enable them to see some of these companies coming on to their website. Well, D.A.S were very pleased how the SEO side of things went, and they soon commissioned us to redevelop their website for them with promotional video and creative visuals. I must say it's probably one of the cleanest engineering companies I've ever been to, and I've been to hundreds of machinists and engineers over the last 16 years or so. The team there were absolute pros. Their capabilities were fantastic. They had the latest machine tools from Doosan and XYZ and a few other ones, multi-axis CNC milling, CNC turning. They also did some grinding as well. They also had some in-house finishing capabilities, like they offer chemical blacking. And so it was a real pleasure to go up and film and photograph them with the team. The client was very happy with the end product. The website looks amazing, as you can see. And so we look forward to working with Dave Stone and the team at D.A.S Engineering, continue to push them in terms of new business, new inquiries, and anyone looking really for precision engineering company can offer a complete solution. Well, they're a great company to work with, very friendly, very efficient, and absolute pros.